Happy Friday. Welcome to the Biotech Signal series of the MicroMolar podcast.
Today is May 29, 2026. Let's get right into today's signals.
First, a Texas biotech called Secretomy Therapeutics raised $30 million Series A, all from a single prominent investor called RA Capital. This Plano, Texas-based biotech is working on a neonatal cardiac progenitor cells for Duchenne muscular dystrophy-associated cardiomyopathy.
Bristol-Myers reported a Phase 3 win for a CEL-MoD drug designed to succeed Pomalyst in multiple myeloma. The data are important as BMS works to replace revenue from aging blood cancer franchises.
Pfizer signed a major Innovent deal worth up to $10.5 billion across 12 cancer programs. This is another huge signal that Big Pharma sees China as a critical source of oncology innovation.
Gilead scrapped its lead arthritis drug from the $405 million MiroBio acquisition. The failure is another setback for BTLA-targeted immunology and shows how quickly acquired assets can lose value.
Lilly's Foundayo and Zepbound are set to gain CVS coverage. That could meaningfully boost access and sales for Lilly's already dominant obesity portfolio.
Agios ended development of tebapivat in low-risk MDS after subpar results. The setback weakens its blood cancer strategy, even as the company keeps its sickle cell ambitions intact.
Lilly is acquiring Engage Bio in a $202 million cell and gene therapy deal. The acquisition expands Lilly's capabilities in next-generation delivery and advanced modalities.
Replimune is making a third attempt to advance its immunotherapy after earlier FDA setbacks. The effort will test whether shifting agency leadership changes the program's regulatory odds.
AstraZeneca is trying to salvage a rare disease approval bid after a Phase 3 miss. Regulators will have to decide whether subgroup data are strong enough to justify approval.
Barron's rare disease therapy review was delayed by 3 months after an FDA information request. The delay pushes back a potential approval for a therapy patients may be waiting on.
The FDA issued a warning letter to Alkemars over cracked gaskets and rust-like residues. The findings raise manufacturing quality concerns and could require urgent remediation.
Cura posted encouraging cancer data tied to a potential $2 billion market. The drug is designed to improve KRAS inhibitor activity, which could make it valuable in precision oncology.
ICON's audit found overstated revenue. The issue raises financial control concerns at a major CRO that plays a key role in clinical development.
Regeneron again failed to beat Keytruda in Phase 3 melanoma. The miss reinforces Keytruda's dominance and raises questions about Regeneron's oncology strategy.
Revolution Medicines is drawing attention as a possible next major oncology company. Analysts are watching whether its pipeline can turn strong cancer data into a durable franchise.
Biogen and Eisai face a 3-month delay for their subcutaneous Alzheimer's therapy. The delay slows progress on a more convenient version of Leqembi-style treatment.
Biogen's tau data are keeping the Alzheimer's tau hypothesis alive. The results may support continued work on tau-directed therapies alongside amyloid approaches.
4 therapeutic areas are being highlighted as prime targets for the next wave of gene therapies. Those 4 areas are neurology, ophthalmology, cardiology, and neuromuscular diseases.
Create raised $122 million to enter the CAR-T race. The funding supports a platform aiming to compete in an increasingly crowded but still high-value cell therapy field.
AdTech company Swoop acquired pharmacy startup Nimble RX. The deal brings together healthcare marketing, prescription fulfillment, and patient engagement infrastructure.
For wearables, it is becoming a GLP-1 world. Device makers are increasingly designing around users taking obesity and diabetes drugs.
Waypoint Bio raised $20 million to run 3 CAR-T trials in China. The strategy shows how smaller biotechs are using China to move cell therapy programs quickly into human testing.
And finally, Protuoso raised $9.5 million to build a hub-and-spoke antibody developer. The model aims to generate multiple antibody programs from shared discovery infrastructure.
Those are all the signals for today. Thanks for joining us today on the MicroMolar podcast.
See you next time.